Hello, just imagine an ambulance call in Edinburgh at 3 in the morning. The system sends to a hospital 40 minutes away, while a bed sits empty 10 minutes down to the road. That mismatch between where help is needed and where the data think it is happens more often than we admit. It is why I want to talk to you today about the data, about the place. Hello, my name is Arnab Saha. My work hasn't taken me through hydrology, remote sensing, and now geospatial leadership in the public sector. Every one of those fields taught me the same lessons. Data on its own does not solve the problems. Data that understands where the something happens, that is what changes decisions. We talk a great deal about the promise of artificial intelligence right now, faster diagnosis, smarter planning, better forecasting, but none of that work without solid foundation underneath it. If our public data is fragmented, outdated, or missing location entirely, AI simply makes bad decisions faster. I see this daily. A flood risk map that does not speak to a planning system, a health data that cannot tell you which neighborhood are underserved. These are small, not small technical gaps. They are difference between the policy that works and one of that quietly fails the people who needed it most. Geospatial thinking is become a basic literacy. One of the public sector, the health sector, and the every sector beyond needs to hold. Where you live shapes your access to healthcare, transport, and opportunity. If our data cannot reflect that, we are planning to dog just faster than before. This is exactly the kind of challenge I believe the UK Young Academy is built for. It sits between disciplines and so does this problem. It needs geographer talking to clinicians, data scientists talking to policymakers, or technologists talking to communities they serve. I want to help to build that conversations and put for the data that is not the powerful but genuinely accessible and useful for the public. It exists to serve because it's in the end better data used well, and it's not an abstract goal. It is an ambulance that reaches that right hospital. It is a policy that reaches the right street. That is the future I want to build. I want to help to build, and I would be proud to build it as a part of the UK Young Academy. Thank you.